Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y91 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles, which you do by swiping down from the top of your screen on the right side of it, so right here, and then swipe down right here to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be a power saving mode. Let's see if I can find mine. I actually can't. So anyway, I'm going to click right here on this box with like a pen in it. And I'm going to select Edit Switches. This will show me the toggles that are turned off from showing in the list that we have seen. And as you can see, the first one out here is the power saving mode. So we can just hold it and then drag it over the top, drop it, select Done, and now we have access to it. From here, all you need to do is just tap on it, select Enable, and that's it. It adds this little leaf next to your battery, so you know that it is right now enabled. There might be a couple things happening in the background, just so you know. So if you experience a delay of notifications or mail fetching, just know that this is most likely to do with your power saving mode. And once you're done with it, you can just find the toggle once again, tap on it, and your device will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.